An electron moving along the x-axis with an initial energy of 100 electron volts enters a region of magnetic field B equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 Teslas K cap at S. The field extends between x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 centimeters. The electron is detected at the point Q on a screen placed 8 centimeters away from the point S. The distance d between P and Q on the screen is. So the electron enters from S in the region where magnetic field is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 Teslas K cap. Due to this magnetic field, this electron experiences a circular path, and when it reaches the boundary where magnetic field becomes 0, it goes on to take a straight path, and it is detected at a point Q on this screen. So let us assume TQ to be distance h. Now, as this is the radius of this circle in which the electron moves, this distance will be r cos theta, as this is also the radius. And assuming the electron makes an angle theta before leaving the region with magnetic field. So due to this, Pt becomes r minus r cos theta. We have the formula for radius, which is r equals to under root 2me upon qb. Putting the values, we get 2 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, which is the mass of electron, into 100 electron volts, and to convert it into joules, we multiply with 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by the charge of electron, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into the magnitude of magnetic field, which is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. This gives the radius to be 2.24 centimeters. Now from here, we can write sin theta equals to x by r, which is 2 by 2.24, that is 0.89. For this triangle, we have theta and base comes out to be 0.45. Therefore, tan theta equals to 0.89 upon 0.45, and from this triangle we can write tan theta to be equal to h divided by 6. So h comes out to be 11.82 centimeters. Now we have cos theta equals to 0.45. So PQ becomes h plus r into 1 minus cos theta. Putting the values, we get 11.82 plus 2.24 into 1 minus 0.45, which gives 11.82 plus 1.232, which is 13.052 centimeters. So the distance between P and Q comes out to be 13.052 centimeters.